Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both generators share nominal voltage and frequency, and that phase rotation matches. Check governors and AVRs. Adjust settings so responses are within about 1% to avoid hunting. Once done, isolate the load and make sure paralleling switchgear and breaker controls are accessible. Now energize the standby generator at no load, bring it up to rated voltage and frequency, and keep a close eye on meters to maintain stable output while preparing for synchronization. You now focus on aligning phase and frequency precisely. Use a synchroscope or phase sequence lamps to monitor phase angle, bring it near 0 degrees. Fine-tune engine speed slightly so frequency is within about 0. 1 Hz of the running unit, and adjust AVR until voltages match within a few percent. Once the synchroscope swings to the correct zone or lights indicate alignment, close the paralleling breaker decisively. If needed, apply small load steps to verify load sharing and governor response are stable. You finish by configuring load sharing and observing system behavior under load. Set governor droop, commonly 3 to 5%, so each generator shares load predictably, and adjust AVR sharing for balanced voltage distribution. Monitor amps, volts, and frequency for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm steady-state operation and that neither unit is overloaded. If you encounter hunting or reverse current, open the paralleling breaker immediately and reassess droop, AVR, and phase alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: always isolate and correct governor or AVR mismatches before re-attempting synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.